To fix microphone not working on Microsoft Teams, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix microphone not working on the Teams. So if you are in any kind of meeting and you want to speak to the representative but your microphone is not working, then you just need to go to settings on your device, and from here you just need to search for the app called Teams, or if you find it here, that's good. So search for the app for Teams or Microsoft Teams. So scroll down until you find the app, or you may also simply search it from the settings page itself. So simply search it and click on the option of Teams and click on the option of permission. So make sure that you have given permission for the microphone and music and audio. So if you have not given permission for any of it, then that may also be the reason that your microphone is not working. So click on the option of it and make sure that it is on the option of allow only while using that. So if you have done this, then that helps to fix the issue. The next thing which you need to make sure is that there is no update available for the app. So click on the option of search and click on the option of Teams and see if there is any update available for the app. So if there is any update available, then that may also be the reason that your app is not working properly or smoothly. So update it and try to use the microphone, then it will surely help to fix the issue. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.